Please avoid standing while the tram is still moving. No use flash photography while taking pictures and video. And lastly, do not stick your finger outside the mesh. Just hold it to the first. So there are two white lions in the right side. Basta pa tama to sa kwan ko. So, this, we have here two white lions that are
Sabi ng masayit mo, mula ko dito. Buwan.
Layon?
If you are wondering why they are called white lions when they are not totally white, it's because they are not albinos. White lions have a genetic condition called the USSM. It means a partial loss of pigmentation in their body, resulting in pale or nearly white color in appearance. In short, they can adapt what our climate here inside. That's why they change their appearance. Po.
Ganon.
Like that. So, this, as you can see, they are sleeping right now because these two white lions are nocturnal. So, they can sleep during the daytime and more active during at night. So, they can sleep, sit, and rest 16